Hi everyone and welcome to All Lite Food, the food goodies, and in this video we will talk about the goodness of chickpeas or the chana. We all love chickpeas. It's one of the delicious, quick to make and healthy food ingredient in any kitchen. And you can just cook it into any kind of starter, sides or main dish. The classic bean flavored off-white peas from the legume family is filled with goodness. The chickpea being one of the nutritious beans from the legume family among different kind of beans, soybean and lentils are high in protein and complex carbohydrates. Now complex carbohydrates are the carbohydrates that contain long chain of sugar molecules than the simple carbohydrates and are considered as the healthy carb, as they take longer time to break down into glucose. Food like peas, beans, whole grains and certain vegetables contain complex carbohydrates, and they are good for our health because they take time to digest in our body. Chickpeas are rich in both soluble and insoluble fibers, which helps to prevent constipation as well as digestive disorders. I have made a video on fibers and how it helps our body. You can check it on my channel or website. I will give the link in the description box. Okay, now coming back, the chickpeas also contains a few trace minerals like manganese and copper. Manganese are necessary for fat and carbohydrate metabolism, also calcium absorption and other body functions. In the same way, copper also helps in different kind of body functions and plays an important role in energy production. Chickpeas also contain some amount of iron, which is again a mineral the body needs for growth and development. Body uses iron to make hemoglobin, which is a protein in our RBC or the red blood cell, which basically carries oxygen from the lungs to all parts of our body. Chickpeas have a low glycemic index, which means the carbohydrate in them is broken down and digested very slowly, which helps in weight management. And due to high in fiber content and low in glycemic index, they are excellent for weight reduction. They also contain vitamin B9 or the folate, B1 and vitamin B6. Now as we know that B vitamins are important for making sure that the body's cells are functioning properly. They help out the body to convert food into energy and other important body functions. Including chickpea to your meal at least 2 to 3 times in a week can be a great way to supply your body with some healthy carbs and other nutrients. I made a quick whole wheat and chickpea wrap recipe which is healthy and easy to make. We'll link the video in the description box and you can have a look at it. So thank you so much for watching the video. Share it with your friends and family. Like, subscribe and share your thoughts in the comment section below. Follow on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I will see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.